Ready to accept crypto payments directly on your WooCommerce store. Let's integrate the Binance Pay plugin in just a few simple steps. First, head to your WooCommerce Dashboard and navigate to Plugins, then click Add New. In the search bar, type Binance Pay Woocommerce. Find the official Binance Pay Woocommerce plugin and click Install Now. Once installed, click the Activate button to enable the plugin. Now, go to WooCommerce Settings, then click on the Payments tab. You should now see Binance Pay listed as a payment option. Click the Manage button next to it. This will take you to the Binance Pay Settings page. Here, you will need to enter your Binance Pay merchant ID and API key. You can find these on your Binance Pay business account. Log into your Binance Pay business account and locate your merchant ID and API key under the API Management section. Copy and paste these into the corresponding fields in your WooCommerce settings. Configure other settings as needed, such as enabling or disabling the payment method, setting a transaction title, and adjusting the order status after payment. Once you've configured your settings, scroll down and click Save Changes. And that's it, Binance Pay is now integrated into your WooCommerce store. Customers can now select Binance Pay during checkout and complete their purchase using their Binance account. Now you're all set to accept crypto payments. Congrats!